Hello friends, welcome back to Bhosle Mac Tutorials. Today I am going to introduce about the drafting workbench in CATIA V5. First of all, let us see what is drafting. Drafting is a graphical representation of structures, machines and their components and parts. In simple words, it's a 2D representation of 3D elements. Before going to our drafting workbench, please subscribe to my channel. Please click on this red button and also click on this bell icon to get my latest updates. Now let us move towards the CATIA V5 drafting workbench. This is a part which is I have designed. Now this 3D part is represented in 2D in drafting workbench. In the start button in mechanical design, go for drafting. Here a small window will be open. Here what are the projection you want? According to that we have to select option. Here we will get only front view, top view and left view, and here front view, bottom view and right view, and here all views we will get. Now I will select this one, and here this is the page properties. If you want to change, we can modify. If you want our page should be in ISO, and it is A4 or A3 will be suitable for our design, and go for OK, and in land shape OK. Okay friends, here we get the 2D representation of that 3D part, but this is not fit to our page. Then select these dotted lines so that we can select all the three views, and right click on that and go for properties. Here in this view we can change the scale of our projections, that is 1:2. Okay, see friends, here which now the size of our projection is reduced. Fix this according to our requirement. Okay, see friends, this is the left view. We can move anywhere in this direction, but we can't move in up or down direction. Similarly, this also, it's a top view. We can move in this top and bottom side, but we can't move in this left and right direction. Now friends, now let us see. This is a front view. Double click on that box. Here text edit window will be open. Here if we want to keep this scale, if we can, or otherwise we can delete this, and OK. Here after selection this, here we can change the font size also, and if we want this Arial black, okay, and size of this font, okay, and adjust it according to your requirement. Similarly, if you want to change this or this and this also, then same procedure we have to follow. Okay, and hold the control button and select these two boxes, and change the font and size. Okay friends, If we want to change the sheet properties means, then right click on this sheet and go for properties, and here we can change scale and sheet, or if you want a big means go for A2 sheet. Here you will get A2 sheet like this, and place according to your requirements. See friends, like this you can get left view, top view and front view. If you want a isometric view, then here is the isometric view. See here, isometric view. Just if it turns to orange means it's active, then go for window, and here flange card part, just click on this part is open, and click anywhere on this part. This will open here, and set according to your requirement. See friends, here the complete view is visible, so I will fix it and click on this. See friends, like this isometric view also we got. And just right click on this, here you will get properties of this, and after that you will change the properties like scale, angle, and if you want hidden and center lines, you can select this axis. Okay, then you will get hidden lines and all this. But for isometric we don't need all of those, that's why deselect this only. For this front view and top view, we select this hidden lines and all, hidden line, center line and axis. Okay, see friends, like this hidden line, center line and axis line we got for top view, front view and left view. Now let us see about the geometry dimensions. These are generate dimensions. Now we have to select for what are the views we want dimensions. Press Ctrl and select these views and go for generate dimensions. Just okay. See friends, here we got dimensions. After that we can adjust this according to our requirement. Okay, now here some dimensions are missing, then go for this dimension and click on this. Like this you can give additional dimensions also. Okay friends, and if you have any notes, then go for text, and you can edit text edit like projections of flanges. Like this, you can change your fonts and size also, and place where you want. You can. After that, for sheet, go for edit and sheet background. Here you can edit the sheet background according to your needs. Wait a minute, page is loading. Here go for new and select which you want, or this, apply, and create. Okay, see friends, and here we got a new sheet background. If you want to change these wordings means you can change. Now here I will change it to mostly tutorials. Okay, okay, and same, go for edit and working view. See friends, like this you will get, like this you will get the sheet and different views and isometric view and whatever you want. In my next video I will show how to get the offset views and other clipping views, etc. Thank you for watching friends. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.